Guys, my name is Palak Jain and I am a SEBI registered research analyst and I've been in this market since last 6 years. I've done my MBA in finance which actually got me into this market. A lot of people actually see me online as Finance with Palak where I share real life stories and about finance, stocks, how to build long-term generational wealth in very simple language which can be understood by everyone. So my main motto is to build good relationship with people with money and stock market because Sapna, there is a lot of misconception whenever they hear this word stock market. Oh, it's so scary, I don't know about it, should I enter, how, and all those kind of questions. So my main motto is to make this agenda very much simple and understand for people to start begin with it. स्टॉक मार्केट में एंटर करने से पहले मैं ना आप लोग के लिए कुछ लिस्ट चाहती हूँ, एक चेक लिस्ट चाहती हूँ जिस पर थोड़ा सा फोकस करें। सालाना अगर आप 1 या 2 ईएमआई भी एक्स्ट्रा भर रहे हो, आपका बर्डन बहुत अच्छे मैसिव अमाउंट से कम होता जाएगा। मैरिज के लिए पैसे जमा करने या एजुकेशन के लिए करना या घर खरीदना है आगे जाके, दैट अमाउंट कैन रियली हेल्प यू विदाउट पुटिंग मच ब्रेन इनटू इट।
This podcast is something that people should listen.
क्योंकि एसआईपी एक ऐसी चीज है म्यूचुअल फंड में आपको अपना दिमाग नहीं लगाना। एज सेड, यू नो, बिगिनर, कंप्लीट बिगिनर। आई बिलीव सेकंड आपकी इमरजेंसी फंड रहनी होनी चाहिए एटलीस्ट 6 मंथ्स, मिनिमम 6 मंथ्स की।
I just need this question for the people who are listening this podcast and they don't have any knowledge about finance. Okay, they are just entering into the market. They have just started working in corporate or maybe started to have a business or something, and they have, like you say, maybe around 50,000 saved up. Okay, they don't have any market or knowledge, and but they are genuinely interested in investing their money. What should they start doing? The step one.
ओके, जस्ट बिफोर एक्चुअली सेइंग कि क्या स्टेप्स होने चाहिए फॉर द पीपल हु अर्न्स 50,000 above, it's a very good benchmark you have kept, Sapna. I just want to give a highlight to our audience as well. Those people who are not earning more than 40,000, 50,000, at least 60,000, they should not start think also to start investing into the money. In fact, they should think to start investing in themselves कि वो लोग कैसे स्किल्स को बिल्ड करके अपने आप को उस पोजीशन पे लेके जाए where they're at least earning more than 50,000, only then they would be able to have that money left where to invest. लेट्स अगर सिर्फ 40,000 रुपीज उनकी सैलरी है, आज मुंबई जैसी जगह में आई थिंक 20,000 इजिली रेंट जाता है। 10,000 लेट्स से आपकी एक्सपेंसेस जाती है, रेंट, ग्रोसरीज, दिस दैट। एंड जब आप इतनी मेहनत करते हो, 5,000 रुपीज आप अपने ऊपर भी स्पेंड करते हो, अपनी फैमिली को डिनर पे ले जाना, मूवी पे ले जाना, छोटी सी ट्रिप कर लेना, राइट? 5,000 सिर्फ बचते हैं फॉर द नॉर्मल इमरजेंसी फंड, which is why having a good income, active income, is extremely important if you guys are thinking to invest into the market. Secondly, अगर आपके पास वो बेंचमार्क है where you can actually start to invest, स्टॉक मार्केट में एंटर करने से पहले मैं ना आप लोग के लिए कुछ लिस्ट चाहती हूँ, एक चेक लिस्ट चाहती हूँ जिस पर थोड़ा सा फोकस करें। सबसे पहला आप मेक श्योर करिए कि आपके पास अपना हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस है। अगर आपके पास हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस नहीं है, सबसे पहले स्टार्ट टू इन्वेस्ट इनटू दैट फर्स्ट, बिकॉज़ यू नो सपना, आजकल हमारे मेडिकल बिल्स कितने बड़े हो गए हैं, राइट? एक हॉस्पिटल बिल हमको उधर जितनी भी हमने इन्वेस्ट की है, सब चीज़ खत्म करने के लिए रेडी है। एंड मार्केट इज़ वेरी प्रेडिक्टेबल। हो सकता है आपको जो वो पैसों की ज़रूरत हो, मार्केट इज़ नॉट समवेयर वेयर यू कैन एग्ज़िट, शायद वो बहुत ही लोअर स्टेज पे चला गया है, व्हिच इज़ व्हाई हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस आपका पहले रेडी होना चाहिए। आई बिलीव सेकंड आपकी इमरजेंसी फंड रहनी होनी चाहिए एटलीस्ट 6 मंथ्स, मिनिमम 6 मंथ्स की। एंड वो जो फंड है ना, वो आपको बिल्कुल भी टच नहीं करना है। अगर साक्षात मोदी जी भी आपको कह रहे कि ये स्टॉक ना डबल हो सकता है, फिर भी आपको टच नहीं करना है, बिकॉज इमरजेंसी फंड ओनली हैज टू बी फॉर दोज काइंड ऑफ इमरजेंसी सिचुएशंस इन योर फैमिली। एंड देन कम्स फाइनली वेयर यू कैन स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग। लेकिन उससे भी पहले आई वुड से, आप पता है सपना, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे टेक पर्सनल लोन्स या क्रेडिट कार्ड लोन्स जिसमें ना इंटरेस्ट रेट बहुत हाई होते, 17%, 20%, 30% तक भी जाते कुछ कुछ लोन्स। तो मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग उस तरह के लोन्स को जितना हो सके कंप्लीट करने को ट्राई करिए जल्दी। ज्यादा कुछ नहीं, सालाना अगर आप 1 या 2 ईएमआई भी एक्स्ट्रा भर रहे हो, आपका बर्डन बहुत अच्छे मैसिव अमाउंट से कम होता जाएगा। Otherwise, whatever you're investing, ultimately that is going to pay the interest. So that will not make any sense, right? Once that things are sorted, now you can come into this decision making कि कैसे आप अपने आप को इसमें डाइवर्सिफाई करें। I would say prepare 3 baskets for yourself. सबसे पहला बास्केट, ट्राई टू एजुकेट योरसेल्फ। बिकॉज़ इस पॉडकास्ट में हमने सिर्फ डिस्कस किया सपना, अगर आप अपने आप को एजुकेट नहीं करते हो, आप हो सकता है अपने हार्ड एंड मनी ट्रैप में फँस जाएगा या बिन मतलब लॉसेस में चले जाएँगे जस्ट बिकॉज़ यू आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट इट। तो सबसे पहले एजुकेट योरसेल्फ सो दैट यू आर नोइंग द डूज़ एंड डोंट्स इन द मार्केट। सेकंडली, स्टार्ट एसआईपी, क्योंकि एसआईपी एक ऐसी चीज़ है म्यूचुअल फंड में, आपको अपना दिमाग नहीं लगाना। एज़ अ सेड यू आर अ बिगिनर, अ कंप्लीट बिगिनर। यू शुड बी हैविंग एन एसआईपी सो दैट वो आपके लॉन्ग टर्म वेल्थ को सॉर्ट कर ले। मे बी इट कैन बी योर रिटायरमेंट प्लान, या मे बी आपको मैरिज के लिए पैसे जमा करने हैं, या एजुकेशन के लिए करना है, या घर खरीदना है आगे जाके। दैट अमाउंट कैन रियली हेल्प यू विदाउट पुटिंग मच ब्रेन इनटू इट, जस्ट डिसिप्लिन। एंड देन द थर्ड बास्केट कम्स, जहाँ पे आपने जो एजुकेट किया था अपने आप को, तो अब आप धीरे-धीरे रिसर्च करना सीखेंगे, 2 महीने, 3 महीने, धीरे-धीरे आप सेक्टर समझना शुरू करेंगे, देन आप धीरे-धीरे उसको इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो। क्योंकि अगर आप सिर्फ म्यूचुअल फंड पे भी रिलाय करोगे, आपको ईयरली 12% 14% तक की रिटर्न मिलेगा। लेकिन अगर आप महीने 2 महीने का 12-14% अर्न करना चाहते हो, देन यू शुड बी हैविंग दोज़ स्किल्स जहाँ पे आप इन्वेस्ट करके एक्चुअली वो रिटर्न तक पहुँच सकें। So I believe these should be the steps which you have to follow, and I'm sure you will be having very good journey ahead.
How do I put this into word? This podcast is something that people should listen just just to enter the finance world, not just the finance world, just to educate themselves what are they lacking behind first. Second, you were too honest about all the answers. I loved each and every answers of you, and this is not just, I'm not just saying, I felt it because as I mentioned, no, I was also a victim of a scam that happened because of a Wi-Fi disconnection. I just called Geo. I was just trying to call Geo that I don't need this Wi-Fi connection, just cut it off. And that made me loss somewhere around 1 lakh rupees. At that time, I decided I want to have someone who can let people understand the type of scam, the problem people are having as of now, and what are the initial stages they need to follow. Your answer covered all of those things, Palak. And second thing, 2%, I loved your energy. You are too sweet. Yeah, you're too sweet. I loved you as a guest and as a person, of course. From this point, of course, we are going to stay connected. Of course, we are going to talk a lot
Absolutely.
about more things. And of course, I'm going to put you on more episode of this. So,
Means a lot, and I would be more than happy to come over here and interact with you. You were also very genuine soul and asking me such realistic questions which a lot of people are very much unaware about. So I would really like to pass on those information with via you with audience.
the problem is no, people can educate themselves as well, but they will go on the website, they are, that is not only credible website. So I just wanted to have a face. People should be familiar with some face they can reach to, because maybe in initial stage you can't go to that CA person, that you can't go to that, big names in the industry, but you can go. But you should know that there are people who are ready to help you. Just what you can do, you can just go and finance with Palak. The idea of finance with Palak, and just
Means a lot.
DM.
Absolutely. I would be more than happy to help people. And you can just keep in touch with me because, as I just said, on my page, also I keep on sharing real life stories about myself, my members who are actually facing those silly mistakes, those problems, and that can be a helping guide for you in your journey.
Yeah, sure. That's what I'm saying. No, if you are listening to this podcast, this is not an sponsored thing or something. I'm just genuinely saying you go and follow Finance with Palak, and just understand what type of scam people are doing as of now, what type of information you need. If you are earning money, you need to have those information for sure. And meanwhile, please follow me as well.
Absolutely. For
Okay.
sure.
Yeah, okay. So I'll see you next episode of this podcast. For now, I have to say bye to you, although I just wanted to talk to you more. I really need the type of information, you know,
Please be in touch with me. I'm also
for sure.
more than happy. And I must say, Sapna, this is a great, great initiative by you by bringing creators like us and trying to solve this kind of an issue. As I just said, a lot of people are very clueless too. So you're making those people accessible to the people who can actually help them in their journey.
You
So very grateful to you and your initiatives as well.
Sure, thank you so much. That's what I'm doing. Right now, everything is around followers. If you have this much,
Correct.
even I got when I text people, no, I am so afraid that they will say, okay, you have like, you don't even have that much of follow. Why are you starting a podcast or something? But I just wanted to start to share the real journey, not just the hype one that is already trending on social media. That is not the information you need. You need information from real people, real creator journey. And that's why I try to bring different industries on my podcast. That's why I texted you, because I wanted finance creator to be here to let people know what they missing.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for saying yes. And will talk to you soon. Okay.
Very sure, very sure. Yeah.
Okay. Bye. Have a
Okay
great
then.
day.
Bye. You too.